This is my 1998 Polaris 500 Sportsman. I got this new secondary clutch for the transmission. Got it bolted on and everything. Trying to get the belt on. Having a hard time with it. But there's this bolt that came with this clutch. I'm wondering if anybody knows what this is for. Is this to help me get the clutch on, or is it for something else, or is it it goes all the way in, but and it stops about 3/4 of the way in, and it binds it with something. I'm wondering if that's to push the clutch apart to get the belt on easier. If anybody knows, let me know. Thanks. Bye. So I just got done putting my belt on after replacing the new clutch here. The bolt turned out to be actually to push the clutch apart while installing the new clutch and a new belt, which is a relief. But you have to look inside the hole here, because this one has a true flat side. This one has like a bolt or something that's in the way. So get a flashlight and look inside here. If you have these holes on your clutch and it comes with the bolt, look in there. Make sure it's not the one with the bolt, but the one that's flat, that has a smooth flat side. Not smooth, but just flat side with nothing in the way, and it'll push the belt apart. So I got the belt part. I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt it right now. And that's pretty neat. I've never seen one of these, but I had a question earlier about it, but I thought I'd give it a try, and it worked pretty good. Pretty surprised. Pretty cool design, if I don't say so myself. But yeah, got it from Amazon, and this is the bolt. Right, went in there, pushed the plates apart for me to get the belt on and everything. Now it's on. Pretty good. Gonna show you. I gotta take this back off because it's riding too far toward the engine, and the belt over here on this side is rubbing against that side of the clutch, the primary clutch. So I gotta take it off anyways and put a spacer or washer on the back side. So I'm turning it now, and you can see that the plates are gonna be going apart as I'm turning it. See? Yep, and that's what the bolt's for. Just want to give you a quick video on why it's there. But yeah, that's what it's for. And I can't really do this with one hand. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store tomorrow, go find me a washer that will fit on this thing. On the back side, it's the same size. We have a Tractor Supply here that's has a nice set of hardware fasteners and whatnot. Yep, that's all it's for. And I'm just gonna take the tension off of it right now. Just so I don't, mess it up anymore. Not mess it up, but potentially weaken the case or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's all it's for.